How to fix Uber cannot tip driver. To fix Uber unable to tip your Uber driver, you must update your payment profile and also try clearing the mobile applications or your Uber applications cache. So head backwards, open your app drawer or simply open your app gallery. From here, look at the Uber icon. Long press it, tap on this eye option to access the app info panel. Scroll downwards and head to the storage section, then proceed to clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, all you have to do is now simply relaunch your application and then proceed to manually apply the tip through the ride history log. Once you launch the application, tap on this activity panel. From here, you should be able to find your past ride. You simply have to tap on that exact ride. From there, scroll down to the tip section, then proceed to tip your driver. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.